You know a girl has lost feelings when she starts doing this. When she stops explaining what makes her upset and how much you've hurt her. When she's too kind and she's not arguing with you anymore. She's waiting for herself to get drained to the point that she doesn't care anymore. But before her feelings gone, they fought first before they gave up. Psychology says, if it hurts you, but you still want to stay, you're in love. Girls who mature early in life are more likely to be delinquent and emotionally aggressive later in life. 70% of people aged between 16 to 24 years had their first kiss by age 15. Years of sex with the same partner boost happiness. If you want to catch someone's attention, suddenly looking at them, even if you don't move your head at all, will tend to do the trick. 48% of young women have already met their soulmates. According to studies, when you spend a lot of time with someone, you are more likely to mirror their habits, decision-making, and preference. People who lose their virginity late, older than 19, have a higher income, education, and a healthier relationship later in life than those who lost their virginity earlier. If you don't dream, you most likely have some sort of personality disorder. When a woman is attracted to a man, she speaks in a higher pitch than normal. When a man is dealing with two women, he'll always stay with the one who has a weak mind.